This video tutorial is about problems on the types of triangles. So let's begin with the first one, and the first problem is triangle with lengths of sides 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 9 centimeter. So assume that you have a triangle ABC, you have triangle ABC, and the length of the sides of this triangle is 7 centimeter. You can simply take any size, right? Just arbitrarily assign any value, of these three values, assign to, any one of these three sides. Like if you assign 7 centimeter to this one, you can assign 8 centimeter to this one, 9 centimeter to this one, or in any way you like. The main thing is just that you have to see that this has in this question you have been given the lengths of the sides of this triangle, and you can see that if you can see that then none of these sides are equal: 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 9 centimeter. So of course it's very clear that AB is not equal to BC is not equal to CA. Doesn't matter which value you assign to these three sides. So 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 9 centimeter. Therefore, none of these three sides are equal. Therefore, it is a scalene triangle. Because a scalene triangle is the one which has none of the sides equal. In this, you have a triangle ABC with sides AB as 5 centimeter, BC as 6 centimeter, and CA as 7.5 centimeter. Again, the lengths of the sides are given, and none of these three lengths are equal. That is, none of these three sides are equal. So again, AB is not equal to BC, is not equal to CA. Therefore, it is a scalene triangle once again. It's a scalene triangle. The third one, triangle PQR, and in this triangle you have PQ is equal to QR is equal to RA is equal to 5 centimeter. Well, again, this value doesn't matter. What matters is it's given that PQ, QR, and RA, that is, the three sides of this triangle are equal. Therefore, since all the three sides are equal, and therefore it satisfies the condition of an equilateral triangle. It's an equilateral triangle because the definition of an equilateral triangle says that if all the sides of any given triangle is equal, then that is an equilateral triangle. In this problem, you have triangle DEF, and this is measure of angle D. So, and that is 90 degrees. So if this is triangle DEF, so we can draw it like this. Just assume that it's a straight line, right? It's not looking straight, but assume so. This is D. Why? Because the measure of angle D is given 90 degrees. So this is a right angle, that is angle D. And now you can assign either this one as E or even this one as E, doesn't matter. So DEF, you have this angle as a right angle. So we know that if any triangle contains a right angle, then that is a right angled triangle. That's a right angled triangle. In this question, you have triangle XYZ with measure of angle Y as 90 degree. So again, the first thing that should come into your mind is that, okay, it is 90 degree, therefore surely it is a right angled triangle. That is for sure. But here you have second condition also given, that and XY is equal to YZ. Now this tells you, this portion tells you, this portion of the condition of this question tells you that it's a right angle triangle, but this tells you that two of this triangle's sides are equal. Therefore, surely it will be an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Why? Because the definition of isosceles triangle is that if any two sides of a given triangle are equal, then that triangle will be an isosceles triangle. So it is a right angled isosceles triangle. It's a right angled isosceles triangle. Okay. In this problem, you have triangle LMN, where measure of angle L is 30 degree, measure of angle M is 70 degree, and measure of angle N is 80 degree. Now, in this problem, whatever condition is given is related to only angles and not about sides. There is no discussion about sides. But if you just look them carefully, then 30 degree is an acute angle, 70 degree is an acute angle, and 80 degree is an acute angle. Therefore, it satisfies the condition of an acute angled triangle. Acute angled triangle. Since it has all the three angles as acute angles, therefore this is an acute angled triangle.